Fire Magic brings grilling to a whole new level with the Diamond Sear Cooking Grids. Made from 304 stainless steel to perform at the highest temperature for the longest time. With a tight spacing surface at 0.35 inches, the Diamond Sear Cooking Grids is easier to cook on, unlike your typical industry rounded cooking grids, which means less food waste falling through the grids. The Diamond Sear Cooking Grids promote optimal heat transfer to the food. This helps with faster cooking times. The wider grid surface provides for more points of contact when the food is on the grill, which creates gorgeous sear marks on the meat. The smooth, non-stick grid surface made for easier flipping and keeps the meat intact so nothing is left wasted on the grill. You can also retrofit your existing power burner or searing station with the Diamond Sear Cooking Grids. Whether you're doing a crawfish boil or grilling the perfect ribeye steak, the Diamond Sear Cooking Grids is ready to satisfy your cravings.